சயின்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல் இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 1 இந்தியன் கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Choose the correct answer. Which of the following sequences in right record in the preamble? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. How many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? Once. A foreigner can acquire Indian citizenship through naturalization. Find the odd one out. Right to property. One of the following is not an instance of an exercise of a fundamental right. Parents' property is inherited by their children. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to constitutional remedies. How can the fundamental rights can be suspended? If the president order it during the national emergency. We borrowed the fundamental duties from the Russian Constitution. Under which article financial emergency can proclaimed? Article 360. Which of the following commissions made recommendation about the center-state relations? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. 1 and 2. Fill in the blanks. The concept of constitution first originated in USA. Dr. Sachidananda Sinha was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949. 5 writs are mentioned in Article 32. Fundamental duties have been given to the citizen of India under Article 51A. Match the following. Citizenship Act 1955. The Preamble Jawaharlal Nehru. The Mini Constitution 42nd Amendment. Classical language Tamil. National Emergency 1962. Give short answers. What is a constitution? The constitution is a fundamental law of a country which reflects the fundamental principles on which the government of that country is based. It is the vehicle of a nation's progress. What is meant by citizenship? The word citizen is derived from the Latin term civis. It means resident of a city-state. The Constitution of India provides for a single and uniform citizenship for the whole of India. Articles 5 to 11 under Part 2 of the Constitution deals with the citizenship. List out the fundamental rights guaranteed by Indian Constitution. 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. What is a writ? A writ is an order or command issued by a court in writing under its seal. It is in the nature of a command or prohibition from performing certain acts that are specified in the orders of the court. What are the classical languages in India? 6 languages are granted the classical language status, namely Tamil, Sanskrit, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia. What is national emergency? The President under Article 352 can declare emergency if he is satisfied that is satisfied that India's security is threatened due to war, external aggression or armed rebellion, or if there is an imminent danger or threat. When a national emergency is declared on the ground of war or external aggression, it is known as external emergency. On the other hand, when it is declared on the ground of armed rebellion, it is known as internal emergency. This type of emergency has been declared 3 times: so war in 1962, 1971, 1975. List out the 3 heads of the relations between the center and the states: legislative relation, administrative relations, financial relations. Answer in detail. Explain the salient features of the Constitution of India. Salient feature of Indian Constitution. It is the lengthiest of all the written constitution of the world. It has borrowed most of its provisions from the constitution of various countries. It is partly rigid and partly flexible. It establishes a federal system of government. It makes India a secular state. It provides an independent judiciary. It introduces universal adult franchise and accords the right to vote to all citizens above 18 years of age without any discrimination. Point out the fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution from Articles 12 to 35. At present, there are 6 fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are available to all persons. Certain fundamental rights are available only to Indian citizens. Right to equality. Article 14, equality before law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles except military and academic. Right to freedom. Article 19, freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence and profession. Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A, right to elementary education. Article 22, protection arrest and detention in certain cases. Right against exploitation. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Right to religion. Article 25, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27, freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Article 28, freedom from attending religious instruction or worship in certain educational institution. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29, protection of language, script and culture of minorities. Article 30, right to minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32, it allows individual to seek redressal for violation of their fundamental rights. Write briefly on the right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. A writ is an order or command issued by a court in writing under its seal. It is in the nature of a command or prohibition from performing certain acts that are specified in the orders of the court. Both the Supreme Court and the High Courts are empowered to issue 5 kinds of writs of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto and certiorari. That is why the Supreme Court is called the guardian of the Constitution. According to Dr. Ambedkar, Article 32 is the heart and soul of the Constitution. A. Habeas corpus safeguards people from illegal arrest. Mandamus, it protects the petitioner who requires legal help to get his work done by respective public authorities. Prohibition, if it prohibits a subordinate court from acting beyond its jurisdiction. Jurisdiction. Certiorari, it quashes an order issued by a subordinate court by overstepping in jurisdiction. Quo warranto, it prevents usurpation of public office through illegal manner. Mention the differences between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Difference between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. It was derived from the Constitution of the USA. It was drawn on the model of the Constitution of Ireland. Even the government cannot take away or abridge these rights. These are mere instruction to the government. These are not enforceable in any court. These are enforceable by a court of law. These have legal sanction. These have moral and political sanction. These rights strengthen political democracy in the country. The implementation of this principle ensures social and economic democracy. PTA questions and answers. 1 mark. Article 14 of Indian Constitution ensures equality before law. 5 mark. What are the fundamental duties of a citizen? List of fundamental duties. Article 51A declares it to be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect its deals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspire the national struggle for freedom, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, the value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and abjure violence. Government exam questions and answers. 1 mark. The Indian Constitution gives to its citizen Indian single citizenship. இதோட சிவிக்ஸ் உன்னோட புக் பேக் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் புக் பேக் வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.